Okay, and we're adding in that VIX check, and we'll have that back test, and we'll decide which one's the best, and then I'll run that with this account here. So this account, it now has 4,000. How much? 4,500 bucks, I think. $4,648. We'll start with this account. We'll see how it does. First, we want to validate it with a back test. Do you guys think this VIX check will help? What do you guys think is going to happen when we add this VIX check? If we have above a 21 VIX, I feel like what is, let's ask AI, what is typically considered a big VIX, right? What is typically considered a high VIX at the point where you don't want to trade? What level of VIX would you not want to trade options, especially call options? Let's see. 30-day low VIX, so it says 15. High VIX, let's say over 25. Yeah, so I was looking at a 21 VIX, right? So below 25 is normal range, buying calls is reasonable. 25 to 30 is elevated risk, and then above that. So we're doing 21. So we're actually even a little bit more, maybe we're a little bit more conservative than we have to be. Maybe we could even put that a little higher. That's interesting. It's saying below 25. We're doing 21. So I think we're actually being even more conservative. Okay, you're saying the VIX will be a good ad, going to get a coffee. Yeah, I think just, looking at the previous returns, we could pretty easily see what's going on there. Here's your strategy, by the way. It's going straight down. It's nosediving right now. Let's see if that recovers. Here's the one with the changes where we're buying 2 at a time. This one's starting to go positive, right? It had a big drop here. I think we were back testing this from March of 2024. So what happened around that time? I'm actually curious. Let's see, March of 2024. What happened to SPY? March 2024. March, right around here. So the market was actually doing pretty well around that time. February, March 3rd. A little bit of a dip, and then we went up. So it must have been one of our companies that we're holding on to that just had a bad time. That's what must happen. It must have been one of our companies specifically. So the whole market was up, right? We had a problem around here.